No, I'm not telling me nothing. How I go on?
Sheldon and manager nah, the manager not like Sheldon at all, them kick off. And then I see him now take no call or nothing.
What you say?
I think him tell you that.
But what you mean your manager not like you?
Yo, Sheldon. Really?
So she that a ping off her phone?
Right true. And right now Musha did Sheldon instead of she. So you don't see him, you didn't hear from him?
He's up on the road still deal with something, but to be honest, normally he's not up on the ground already, you know.
Dada, I'm not telling no lies still. Manager not have no right to do what she do, or if do what she did do. But you see Sheldon, there's something wrong with him, you know. Because he might add to everything. The situation can't better because I said, don't come on my yard, come see me, round the woman with the kerchief on her face. Him not care, him decides him have to do that.
That's your God. Talk to the youth about that thing there, you know, come tell them and say, listen to me. We're a business person and we're in a family. So the image is very important. If people see I walk up and down with their face covered up with kerchief, they're not gonna say I walk kind of loose, you know what I mean, kind of loose business. This not look professional.
Well, she not see it fit and me worse not see it fit. Because if you represent me as my man, in front of the people who are putting their money and investing in me, you have to come clean, you have to come good. That not look good. You get me?
Hello, and that's what I'm doing every people, you know. It's to me, Keisha. Slavery day is done a long time now. Let's say, girl, I work right through the holiday. Yes, I know it too. Right through, yes, right through. I'm not doing nobody here today. You know what I say? Today I the holiday off. I need my rest, I'm gonna need my sex.
I hear you still I hold my opinion, you know what I mean? But here I go on. I really go on between the two of them.
Well, Sheldon come on my house with the kerchief over her face. Now she come out and see man, she not in that. So she's telling us get her at waste man or something like that.
Hold on. Still a breed? Still alive?
I say that I even offer me. I don't have no manager. Because Sheldon tear that down. Remember I tell you. You know I'm not take no talk from nobody. I say, I'm pissed me see I go right in her face and I jump on him and him tumble down the ground and I roll. And she not stop. She just keep on and carry on. Like she don't know what she in and she don't know who me there with.
So hold on, I don't think of music in a deal. So what kind of movie are going on in your yard? Slow motion, chuck in a face and a roll this and all of them things there.
Manager want the best of me and everything, you know, but see the way she da behave. I say she pick it a little shake up or a little tap up in her brother. Because she don't know how she land be. I'm not encourage. Man, I leave no woman or nothing, you know, but the way she be, man, I style up my man, brother. Man, I like that, but I can't. You're stuck in the middle. You know what for the dog.
But all I say, I'm glad it never got this, okay? You know, when I deal with that something, you know what I mean, man, I put them on woman.
True. But she need to understand now, because I say it over and over again. Say Sheldon more and my man that, and she don't know how far we I come from. And if she give me a man in a one suit, I want drinks, I want tie, I go to people move up on him back. Miss an alpha female. You know what I say? I Sheldon more want, and I even go there with.
You know, when they are pre, I analyze the whole situation. I wonder if I like she like the killer.
No sir.
And I take that squeegee.
I don't think so.
But anyway, still, you know what I mean? She have to really step away from your personal life and just go and handle the business part, right?
I think so too.
But push that aside and now. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
See you mash up
thing.
thing.
I'm telling you, you know, I come tell you and King, so I'm going to take it and you think I job with me?
Between me and still, you know, day and night growth is a real up, isn't it?
I see you, I see you, man. I see you, man.
Pull him off.
True, I see you.
Night growth, man. I support. I want to
I connect, man. I feel that in.
Well, congrats, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you.